Hi dear students, I am your teacher Victoria. So today we are going to learn about multiplication and how to use lattice method to solve the multiplication question. Okay, we go to the questions here. Okay, 234 times 5. This is the way to write the question. And then now you see 234. The boxes below these numbers, we are going to divide it into two parts. Okay, just divide the boxes into two parts. Then for solve these questions, we need to know times 5, right? So 4 times 5. You see 4 times 5. What is the answer? 20, right? So when you want to write the 20, you no need to write the 20 0 down part and the 2 upper parts. You no need to regroup that. We straight away can write this 20 in the box here because we already separated the box into two parts. So 2 we will write up here, 2 and 0. So this is 20. And now class, you see 3 times 5 is 15. So 15 is also two numbers. So we can straight away write 15 like this in the boxes here. Okay, later you see 2 times 5 is 10. So how to write the number? Yes, you should write like this. And then we need to add all these numbers. Okay, the blue color numbers. Because the blue color numbers are the answer for the questions. Okay, the blue color numbers and it's all are the questions for the answers for the questions. Okay, so you see class, we are going to add the first box here. What you can see here, only 0, right? So we write 0 here because there is only 0 in this box. Okay, later you see what are the numbers that you can see here in this part. Okay, 5 and 2, right? So we are going to add 5 and 2. So 2 plus 5 is, yes, correct, 7. So how about the other numbers? Okay, come and see here. You see 1 and 0. So what you should do? 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, the last box here. What do you have here? The only 1. So how? There is no numbers to add with this one. So we just copy down the 1 and write here. So our answer for this question is 1170. I hope you understand this. Okay. So let's try question number 2. Okay, same goes here. You need to write the question 764 times with 2. This is the way to write the question and you need to separate or divide the boxes into two parts. Okay, later now for solve these questions we need to do with times 2. So class 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, how about this 8? There is only one digit. So how we are going to write that one digit here? Yes, exactly. You going to write 0, 8. Okay, this is in ones place value, right? So the tens place value will replace 0. So we are going to write the numbers like 0, 8. Remember that when we are doing we are doing answer with one digit, you just copy down 0, 8. Okay, 6 times 2 is 12. 7 times 2 is 14. So then we are going to add all these numbers. Okay, we are going to add all these numbers. Only the blue colors, because the blue colors is the answer of the question. So the blue colors, how we are going to add? Okay, you see in this line. What are the numbers are here? Only 8. So you just write 8 in your answer. Then when you see here, you can see 0 and 2. So you need to plus 0 and 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. Okay. The next line, you see what are the numbers you can find here? 1 and 4. Okay, now you need to add 1 plus 5. Okay, 1 plus 5 is? Sorry, 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is? 5. Okay, how about the 1 here? Okay, you can see only 1 here. There is no number to add with this one. So you can just write 1 in your answer. So your answer is now 1528. This is your final answer. Okay, we are going to move to the next question. Okay, the next question is 561. 561 times with 7. Okay, this is the way to write the question, and then you need to separate the boxes below the numbers here. So you just divide the boxes into 2. Okay, later now we are going to use times 7 to answer this question. 1 times 7 is 7. 0, 7. Okay, 6 times 7? Yes, 30. 42. Yeah, correct. 42. 6 times 7 is 42. 5 times 7? 35. So we already done with the numbers here. Then what we have to do? Yes, correct. We need to add the answers that we got. So class, how to add these numbers? In this line, you only can see 7, right? So you just copy down 7 in the answer. And now you can see 0 and 2 in the second line. So 0, 2. So you need to plus 0 and these 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. Okay, and then in this line we can see 4 and 5. So how to plus this number? 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, 4 plus 5 is 9. And how about the 3 here? Okay, there is only 3. So we just copy 3 in your answer. There is no number to add with this 3. So your final answer is 3927. So this is your final answer. So let's see another example. Questions 613 times 8. So for this question, we are going to use times 8. So after we write the question, we need to separate the boxes below the number 613. Okay, separate the boxes into 2. And then we are going to write the answer. 3 times 8 is 24. Okay. 1 times 8 is 8. 0, 8. 6 times 8? Yes, 48. So what we have to do now? We need to add the numbers that we already have when we times with 8. So how we are going to add? Yes, you see the number. What you can see here? Only 4. So you write 4 here. And then in the second line, you can see the numbers 2 and 8. So how to add this? 2 plus 8 is 10. Okay, this is a normal addition. So 10, you write the 0 here. And then the 1 will be up here. Okay. The next number in the next line that we are going to add. So now you see the numbers we can see here. 1 plus 0 plus 8. So this one we need to plus with this line. Number in this line. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. And how about the last digit here? We only can find 4 here. Okay. So we just write the 4 in your answer because there is no number to add with the 4. So now this is our answer. So 4904 is our final answer. I hope you all can understand how to do lattice method. See you soon in the next class. Thank you.